I have to say my attitude towards design is very much from the standpoint of view of an artist. To say it simple, a designer makes something that the customer wants, designer, and an artist just does whatever he wants. Well, the theme of Architecture is of course to life. So that means the way how we are born or actually conceived. Being born, we grow up, and maybe we get children ourselves, we are relations. We grow old, and then we grow older and older and older. At a certain moment, we disappear. So this is actually the story of the human being as a race and as an individual. And I think that's very important, and everyone can relate to that. Well, you only live once, and I really want to take everything there is from life and everything there is for art and my own work